I am Marta Casadesús, Project Manager at AEI Textiles, and I will introduce you to Technological Watch. This content is developed by AEI Textiles in the framework of the Destex project. Competitive intelligence is the key of a successful business strategy. However, the pace at which technology is disrupting industries makes it an indispensable cornerstone in anticipating new competitive drivers. Here, where a technological watch process can help, and it explains why it is so important nowadays. A technological watch process gives access to the latest information related to innovations, emerging trends, and developments, active companies and their R&D strategies, impact of new technology adoption, and new market opportunities, among others. The main goals of this lecture are to explain the technological watch process. With this lecture, we aim to provide an overview about the technological watch process, their definition, and basic ideas about how to perform it. These are the knowledge and competencies you will take out of this lecture. Let's start from the very beginning, which in this case is to understand what exactly technological watch refers to. Technological watch is defined as the observation and analysis of the environment followed by the well-specified dissemination of selected and analyzed information, useful for strategic decision making. Technological watch main objective is to differentiate a company from its competitor through innovation being a tool that helps a company to go forward. This means that some actors are involved in this process, as the diagram shows. Buyers, suppliers, but also potential competitors and substitutes. Between them, there are different relationships. The main application of technological watch is to obtain technical information to make decisions in a company's production department. However, the watch processes are also applied to commercial decision-making processes. In these fields, the terms commercial watch, competitive watch, or surrounding watch are often used, even though technology watch is also used, becoming the commonly used term. There are many reasons why a company should implement technological watch. Cooperation. The search for new technologies, etc., can lead to the meeting of new partners that can help to develop new products in the company. Anticipation. If the company is aware of the new technologies, it can detect the changes, which makes it faster to competitors in terms of innovation. Risk reduction. Possible threats are detected earlier, with margin to operate. Progress. The process aims to detect new opportunities. Innovation. All the above mentioned concepts lead to the detection of new solutions. We can differentiate between passive technological watch, also called scanning, and active technological watch, also called monitoring. While scanning routinely checks a wide range of sources of information to find data and indicators of interest in the company, monitoring searches for relevant information on a regular basis about the areas selected by the company in order to provide continuous knowledge of the current technological developments and technological trends emerging. As we can see, the second requires a deeper analysis on the data. Technological watch and competitive intelligence are two interlinked processes and both of them oriented to improving companies' competitiveness. Technological watch is inseparable from the term competitive intelligence, and often both terms are used together. Competitive intelligence is defined as an ethical and ongoing process of gathering all the business environment information from the company itself and others, analyzing it and communicating it in a pertinent, precise, specific, opportune, predictable, and active way. Another linked concept is the technological perspective, defined as a set of analyses and studies performed in order to explore or predict the future in a given subject using methods and tools that allow the achievement of a certain industrial or commercial objectives. The benefits of having a technological watch and competitive intelligence systems in place are an improvement of the business overall position, adding value to the products and services and reducing the risk towards an eventual business failure, among others. Now we already know what a technological watch process is, but how it is done. Let's see it in the following pages. For example, for a high-tech company, investment in a new technology is a strategic decision that can have major impact on the company's performance for many years. A technological watch process is a cyclic process that is repeated in order to be updated and not to miss information. It is based on three basic pillars. Observation, the first step, the search and capture of the information. Second, analysis, referring to treatment, analysis, and validation of the collected data. Use, which states for the exploitation of the results. The first phases of the technological watch processes, referring to observation and analysis, are the following. Identify and analyze the company's information needs defining the critical watch factor is the first one. Second, search and obtain the necessary information for tracking the critical watch factors. In the third place, it's evaluate and analyze the information obtained. 4, internally disseminate the results. 5, use the information in the decision-making process. These 5 phases are executed continuously and cyclically. Often, the decisions made imply the existence of new critical watch factors, starting a new cycle. Let's see now which kind of information a company needs in order to perform a technological watch process. The information needs can be divided into groups. 1. Technological information needs, which are the technological changes that could affect the company as soon as possible. And also the commercial information needs, which refers to the knowledge of what the competitors are doing and also any changes in the general commercial environment. From these two types of needs, we can define the critical watch factors as external company factors critically affecting its competitiveness. Each activity, even each company department, can have specific critical watch factors that depend mainly on the defined strategic plan. For a good technological watch process design, the critical watch factors is another important concept that must be defined as specifically as possible. Let's search information we need. In today's world, the information is abundant. It is difficult to discern important information. The technological watch process is a continuous process that can be described with a PDCA. Just as a cycle has no end, the PDCA cycle should be repeated again and again for continuous improvement. In this scheme, you can see the workflow for a technological watch process. This chart shows another representation of the technological watch process in order to clarify it. In order to carry out a successful technological watch, it is recommended to find a lot of information to analyze. This section presents different options available, among others, to meet this goal, which can be our information sources. First of all, we have to divide them between informal and formal sources. Let's see some example of informal sources. It can be competitors, suppliers, customers, subcontracted companies, fairs, business missions, congresses, seminars, conferences, internal company sources, etc. And also, we have the formal sources. Those can be press, patents database, publications from other companies, publications of official bodies, or books. We have mentioned fairs and exhibitions as an informal source of information. Here you can see some textile fairs as an example where information related to the technical textile sector can be found. Another important formal information that is needed in an innovative process are patents. Publication search can be done through dedicated searching engines. Accessing to their platforms give information to the related selected topics. Some examples of these are ResearchGate, ScienceDirect, Scopus, Compendex, etc. And thank you for your attention. I hope you learned a lot during this lecture. You can download the presentation to continue deepening your knowledge about the textile opportunities. Hope to see you in the next lectures.